Guys, guess what? I'm in the zone. I am in the zone. Another green day. If I could go Super Saiyan right now, I would do it. I am in the zone, guys. And if you guys want to show some support, smash that like button and smash the subscribe button. I am so excited, guys. I am super duper excited. You know, me being so consistent with my trade each and every day, and I'm growing my account on a long slope. Guys, please show me some love. I deserve it. Smack that like button and smack that subscribe button. So we're going to talk about my journey today. Another green day. The only bad news is I overtraded. And this is a part of me learning and growing at the same time, knowing what time of day I should be trading and what time of day I should not be trading. And we're going to be talking about it. We're going to talk about what I learned and what I shouldn't be doing going forward. All right, we're going to jump into metrics. You already know, Trading View, and let's tune in. All right, we're in Trading View. So we're going to look at my metrics. So let's start from, okay, we had dashboard. This is just showing you the stocks I traded today. I traded NVIDIA, SIGA, NVIDIA, show you all of it. Guys, I overtraded today. I overstayed my welcome. And originally, I was up 800 and some change. And I came back in the market. I shouldn't have, but it's a lesson learned. And I kept trading, and my account started going lower, lower, and lower. And I finally came to the point where I was like, that's enough. I ended the day with my goal, which my goal is anywhere from $300 to $500. I'm perfectly fine. So today I closed 500 and change, 501 to be specific. It shows it right here, but on here it won't show it. But these are all the trades I took. Over excessive, and I learned my lesson. I'll try my best to tighten that up. So let's just jump in. You see right here, it say 495. This is incorrect. I don't know if it's my platform that is tweaking or bugging out, but I made 500 and some change. Matter of fact, let me show it to you so you guys don't think I'm lying. If you look at the bottom right here, I say 501. 501. See what it say? Realize, cancel, profit, loss. 501. So let's go to trades. No, let's go to report. Yeah, right here, reports. So we're gonna go to the overview. And guys, it took me a while to be in this position where I'm this consistent. So don't think because I'm like, you cannot be consistent just out of beer luck. You understand what I'm saying? You can win off luck, but consistent like this, it's not luck. I just know what I'm doing. And it took me a while to get there, and I'm very grateful. But anyways, let's jump in again. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the curve. Going straight up. Straight up. A big ramp up. And we're still going up, baby. Within that, from the 20, well, you could say the 25th all the way to the, what's today? The 3rd, I basically made $3 grand in total profit on top of what I already have. Smooth. You know, right here, I made 267, 392. And I'm staying within that range where I'm, you know, my daily goal. I'm staying within that range on an average. I'm staying in that range, and I want to just keep going. And the crazy part about it, guys, is that the more my account grow, this is just going to go up. All this is going to go higher because more money you make, the more money you have, the more money you have, the more money you make. It's a cycle. So when I go up to, like, say 50K, 100K, this is gonna be ridiculous. So I'm start when I get to those area, my daily goal, which is gonna be the same, but what I'm gonna be making compared to my daily goal is going to be higher. So it's gonna be $800 days, $1,000 days. You understand what I'm saying? It's gonna grow. The profit gains is gonna be bigger because now I'm trading with bigger size. But the flip side or the downside to it, I just got to manage my risk, because the more money you have, the more money you can make, and the more money you can actually lose. So it's going to put me in that space to where I'm going to challenge myself to keep my risk at a low and keep my profit high. So there is a downside to it. So if I'm not managing my risk, I can make 800, but in a snap of a finger, and I can lose 800 in a snap of a finger. You get what I'm saying? So this is why it's good to always practice. Practice, practice, practice. Right? Anyways, let's go to details. So, average daily gains is 433. 431. Perfect. Like I said, I'm in that range of where my daily goal. Like I said, it's 300 to 500. So I'm basically kind of in between the middle of both of those, right? Total gain, $3,022.78. Great, right? Largest gain is the same from last time. Largest loss, the same from last time. This should have changed. Actually, no, it's actually correct. I did make $800 today, but because I lost some off the top. This is why this is still the same. So it is what it is. Like I said, I learned my lesson. We're gonna talk a little bit more about that down the line. Anyway, so daytime, Tuesdays, good. Wednesdays are my best days. Thursday, best days. Friday, my best days. So, like I said, even though the month started, this is not really the time to really look at these numbers, but I like to see where I'm going, the direction I'm going, and see if I'm going in the right direction. And so far, showing me these 3 days are my go-to days: Wednesday, Thursdays, and Friday. A little bit of Tuesday, Monday, it didn't count, but down the line, when the month is done, we'll see where we left off. Right? So 9 p.m. At 9, I don't do that well. 10 is like my go-to. What time is this? 12, definitely go-to. And then 1 o'clock, definitely my go-to. And you see, after that 1 o'clock period is like, no, that's not your time. After that, you should stop trading. And that's what really happened to me. Why I gained 800 and I lost some money off the top, because I came back in the market at 1 o'clock, around 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and that's when I started losing my gains. Price and volume. So these should definitely be the same. So my go-to price range is $10 to $20. And then we have $20 to $50. And then we have $100 to $200. So these are my price range that I'm much better at. I'm not good at under 2. I am somewhat okay with the $2 to $5 and $5 to $10, but this is showing me to just stay in my lane, which my lane is 10 to 20, 20 to 50, and also 100 to 200. And then we have win to loss days. So this is my consistency. So we have 7 days winning straight since I started, and no losing days. So this is great. I love to see my metrics. It kind of help boost me and give me more confidence when I'm trading, when I see that I'm doing well. Like I said, these things are gonna happen where, yes, I'm gonna win some and I'm gonna lose some. It's just when it's gonna happen. And when it do happen, am I gonna be able to keep my risk level tight? So my max loss is $500, $500 to $600. After that, I'm cutting it. I'm not trading anymore. That's the plan. So that's where my cutoff trade is. I might take one trade if I see a good setup, but if I don't, I'm not taking any trade. I'm shutting off the computer and I'm going about my business. But let me tell you what I realized today, which is why I lost money when I made $800 and I brought it back down to 500. So basically, I know for now, when I make money from 9:30 to say 10, 11, that should be it. I could probably come back at 1, but after 1, I should cut it off, because after 1, I do not do well. I don't know if it's because the market, at the moment, why, I'm not making money after that time period or time frame. But when it comes to like 2, 3 towards power hour, I am, ugh, I'm doing bad, very bad. And I'm thinking that during those hours, say from 2 to 3, we'll have a lot of, volatility, people who's back in the market trying to trade. But it seems like based on my trading strategy, it doesn't work during that time of period. Like I said, I don't know if it's because of how the market is. We are in a recession and the market been tanking. So I don't know if it's like, people are scared, so there's no strong follow through during those time of hour or time of day. But I'm going to kind of cut that out going forward. So I'm gonna stick to that. Try my best to stick to it. You have to be disciplined, and it's very hard, especially as a day trader. Once you're so used to doing something, and then as like I said, as a day trader, because it's very hard to do that as a day trader because when you have the motion, you do crazy things. So I'm gonna try my best to cut during that time frame, I'm not trading at all. And I'm gonna try to just turn the computer off and go about my business. But as you guys see, the proof is there. It's in the metrics. 7 days straight green days. Let's see. Let me see. Let me go back to this. Is very. I like seeing things like this. It boosts my energy and it helps me to do better in the market. So let's go to the calendar. Calendar is right here. We started from the 25th, 26th, 27th, the 30th. Then we have the 1st of this month, 2nd, and then the 3rd, which is this Friday. Like I said, guys, show me some love, man. Give me a round of applause. You showing me a round of applause should be smashing that like button and smashing that subscribe button. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Peace.